CV is not just a piece of paper. A CV is likely to be the very first way you have to impress an employer on how amazing you are. It is not just a long list of things you think an employer would like to hear about. Its purpose is to get their attention, stand out, and get you to the next stage. Here's our top tips on how to move forward. Number 1, presentation. There's key information that needs to be on every CV. You don't need CV written at the top, but you do need your name, contact details they can actually reach you on, a statement that summarises who you are and why they want you, and some history about you. Number 2, length and layout. A CV should not be more than 2 pages long. And don't be afraid to play with different templates to make your CV as unique as you are. Look at different colours, fonts, highlights and bullet points to help divide and define important pieces of information. This one's simple. Number 3, change your CV for every job you apply for. And don't tell employers what you think they want to know about. Go back to the job description and the advert and make sure that your skills show them how you meet their job needs. Number 4, think like an employer with 50 to 100 CVs to go through. Do you want the people with nothing to say about themselves? Or the ones with no transferable skills? Or people who clearly took no time to read about the job and what's needed? Or boring CV after boring CV? You know the answer. Be the person who spent time reading about the job and showing them how good you'd be for their company. Number 5, the personal statement. This is about your unique selling point. What is yours? What can you offer them? Why should they employ you? What is your goal and ambition? If you don't know, how can they? Sell yourself.